and welcome to today's video where I am going to do my check-in of this week where I have been living on a budget of pretty much nothing. I haven't been paid for almost 4 months, there or thereabouts. I have had to use all my side hustle money to pay myself effectively, and I've been so grateful, and I'm pretty sure you guys have been on board this week because my Etsy store has been phenomenally busy, and that's a tricky word to say. I've been pulling sort of like 3-4 a.m. nighters just to get it all done, and you've been so kind and so generous. And it's also the launch of our launch week of the new budget binder, and that has been flying out of my window even in the pre-sales. There is a few days delay on it getting here and everything else, but if you've ordered one already, I'll be messaging you and giving you an accurate date of when those are going to be arriving and getting those out to you. Thank you so much for believing in me and in my channel and what I'm doing, and helping me help you with this budget binder, because it's been a long time coming and I'm feeling so proud. I have worked really hard on it, so thank you. And if you're wanting to get that, yeah, you can get it in the shops now. I'm hoping the first pallet order that I've got of it is going to be enough for everyone that now wants it, because there's plenty there for the pre-orders, but I know it's going, once it's in, I know a lot of you are messaging you waiting for it to arrive in the actual store itself. So I'm excited to get that out there and get us all saving and budgeting well and everything else. So thank you so much, because actually that money has got me through these last few weeks, and everything that you've sent me and, you know, on my Etsy shop has basically kept me afloat, to be completely honest. So thank you, honestly. Right, let's have a look at what I've spent this week. I went to do a Costco shop with my voucher, just as a spoiler alert, and there was a problem with the system. So I was like, put a load of stuff in my trolley, which was pretty embarrassing. Got to the tills and I was like, how do I spend this? I don't know what I need to do. And they're like, yeah, we can't take that today. Like, there's me and my mum shopping in the trolley because the system was down. So it means I've got to go back again. Well, I've got to go back again anyway, I suppose, at some point, but I've got to try and spend it before the end of February. Oh, awkward, a bit awkward. So I'm like, I can't actually afford to buy any of these things, so I'm going to put them back. Thank you very much. Anyway, we have got other groceries, like lots more of the Oleo stuff this week, which was useful. So let's have a look what I have actually been able to spend and where it's gone. So let's have a look at how I've got on no money, and I'm actually really pleased with how it's gone. Lots of no spend, and that which I have spent it's just been really savvy kind of spending. So just grab some of my no spend stickers as usual, the ones that weren't aligned when I printed them, so they were a bit skew-iffy. Waste not, want not, as I always say. So that was a no spend day. On Thursday was also a no spend day, but that was because both those days, well, Wednesday was actually a work from home day in the end, because normally I'd be in school, it was strike day. So my school that I normally work in was striking. Being self-employed, it doesn't really make that much difference to me, but it meant I could move students to during the day. I just got lots of jobs done and caught up on Etsy things and everything else, so that was that. Thursday I was working in school and then working at home in the evening. So Fridays are always my day for working at home and catching up and planning and everything else. And I managed to get some Asda shopping. So I'd already planned, if you saw my last video, on using the cash wallet that's on the Asda app. So I got some money saved up on there. And I had an Asda gift card, which had £15 on it as well. So I used both those and a little bit of cash. And then I also did two Too Good To Goers to get some more food as well. So I managed to spend in Asda, I used, the app actually had more than I thought. So I actually had £17.24 on it. And then I had the £15 card, which was £32.24. My total itself for groceries, £4.48, which is what I got down there, so that's fine. And then I got lots of Too Good To Goes at £3 each. So that sort of stocked up my cupboard a little bit as well, for £6 total. So they're both in terms of groceries on those ones, so I'll draw that down there. Saturday, Holly was at her drama club and she's putting on a show in a few weeks' time. So I needed, basically, I could either go and buy the costume or I can rent it or whatever it is for £15. And I haven't got the time, inclination, or anything, the energy to go and hunt for it. So £15, and it's come out of her envelope because that's what she wants to do. And then also she wanted me to go and watch her as well. So I've taken the money out of her envelope for now because that's where I can afford to get it from. But I'm going to go with her grandma, and I think it was £7 for that. So 15 and £7 for my ticket. So it was like £22 out of Holly's envelope. So that's for that one. And then on Sunday, it was actually a no-spend day. We just went to the park, lots of free things, went for a bit of a walk. So that came down as a no-spend. And then Monday was quite a low-spend day because I went and took Alexander. He's got a little club which is nearby me. It was £1, gone up to £1.50 now, but it's because I told him to put it up to £1.50 because it was too cheap. It includes a cup of tea, juice, biscuits for Alex. And yeah, he also likes this cheese toasty thing, and we ended up getting that, and like it's the most amazing cheese, probably because somebody else has made it for me, which always makes it even better. But basically the total of that altogether was $4.50, and then we also went swimming, which is already covered and paid for, so that was that. Which just leaves Tuesday, which is a no spend day. Today, back in work. So work days means very little spending. Now I'm on the precipice, like I'm on the edge now of my groceries. I do need to try and get some more. Most of this was like fresh stuff, so I've used fresh ingredients and put them with things that are frozen meats, put them with pasta, put them with tinned things. So I've just sort of bulked all that out, and yeah, you know, it's not the things that you might have chosen to get, but that's, you know, it's doable and it's manageable. So I'm just going to colour those up and make them look pretty. Sharpies. Holly. So it's that. That everything I've spent? Yeah, that's everything I've done. So that's not too bad. So we'll pull the change out and we'll put that in our penny saving challenge. So, oh gosh, penny saving challenge. Let's see what we're at. This. Now I'm excited because I got a message to say that my bank had received a check. What's in there? That's right. Bank's received my check, so I just got to wait for it to go through, basically. But for some reason, and if you've got a better business account than I, please share it with me. I'm with Monzo. So you send the check off because it's a school and that's how they pay you. A few people have asked about that. I do not know why they cannot just do a bank transfer at all. But there we go. Maybe it's a paper trail we need. But yeah, I'm paid by cheque from the school. So I had this last time though, to tell you they've received the cheque. But then it takes like another week or so before it actually clears, which is really frustrating. I have no idea. Well, not clears, but processes effectively. I've still got my Costco card. I might make a list of everything I need to buy in bulk. But I'm also just going to check. See, even though I've got no money, I have got money, do you know what I mean? I've got money here, I've got money here, so if it came to it, I've got money in places. Good friends in our places, I've got money in places. I'm okay with it, but what I might do, I'm going to take 3 of these, because I've got loads of £2 coins for whatever reason, just to make the end of this look pretty, and then I'll put the rest in towards my penny saving challenge. I'm going to have a look back and see when why do I keep all this pen? When I started this this one's come out without a lid on. That's no good, is it? I'm not having a day. This is my favourite one. This one always works. She says, what? 3 pence that going in the bin. Should we try again? Do you know why? Because I've got a box of these pens. There we go. And for some reason, most of them are faulty. Which is a bit annoying. So yeah, so I've got those in there. What's that? Now we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times by 8. There you go, 64 quid. I'm hoping my math is right now, otherwise that doesn't look very good, does it? They're going in the bin because it's a waste of time. So what do we have? I've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you know what I've just realised? I took the money out of beauty and I didn't tell you. I'm not even put it on. Oh no, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Because otherwise somebody will remind me of what I've not done. 978. 978. We'll just get rid of this change first. I'll explain. 978, 978, 978. Where's that nice Sharpie gone? Let's do 978. I'm going to take off some of these high numbers. What have I got? 350. Oh, has it been coloured in? Has it not been coloured in? I feel like it's been coloured in, but like with something that's faded. That was a rubbish pen. I could just about make it out. It's been coloured in. It looks slightly different to that one when I'm using my eyes. So we'll take 343 off. Then I can take 342. Which leaves me with 293. Is 293 gone? No, it's not. So there we go. That's those. 293. Magic. I'm going to go back over that one. It's definitely gone. And that one looks like it's fading. Oh, it's definitely gone. And that one. Year a week. And the 11p is definitely gone. Right, cool. We're getting closer. I want to find out when I started it. And then, because now these bigger numbers are gone. That's the harder bit, isn't it? And then, yeah. How long's it going to take me? That's the question. Yeah, so what I was saying was, because I'm just like silly. I'll put this over here. Oh, gosh, that's a weight. Back in my book. Monday. I knew something about Monday. I got my hair coloured at the, well, not all of it, just my roots done, at the college. And it cost £15. So that came out of beauty. That's why. Must have taken the change out of it, did I? Yeah, I took the change out. See? I'll watch back over this video and go, oh, look, there's me taking the change out of my beauty envelope and not talking about it. Hair. I've already got it cut for free. My local hairdresser, not that local, about 15 minutes away from me. We're advertising. So there we go. Done. So I better, good job I put that. I've not even coloured it now. What's on me? Come on. It looks very similar pink to the Alex one. It's gone in. It's gone in. Right. That's properly it. Properly. Thank you so much for checking us out. If you've enjoyed what you've seen and my journey of living on pretty much nothing, then I would love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, like icon, and then the bell notification so that you know every single time that I upload a video just like this one for you for free, which is of course the best price. Have yourself an amazing day, and I will see you really, really soon. Bye.